So today we will be doing, I will be walking you through how to set up your own Symbaloo account. That is, like I showed you this morning, it's where all of these tiles show all of your bookmarks. So you don't have to go search and type in a lot of these sites, and it's going to save us a lot of time. Okay? So what it is, so this is what Symbaloo is. It holds all of your bookmarks in one page instead of just like a list. It has nice little pretty colors and fonts and things that you can change so that you can find something right away. And you're going to save most of your used sites all just on one tab. And this is called a web mix. So it's basically just like a home page where you can keep all of your links in these little things called tiles. Okay? So that is what Symbaloo is. So why am I going to have you use it? First of all, for you guys, when I say, okay, go to Spud's Landing, or go to 99 Math, or GimKit, or have your cohort calendar up, right? If we just have a tile with that right there, it takes one click. Instead of going to my PowerSchool page, then going to Track B, then going to blah, 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 right? So we want to have as much as we can linked on there so then it's ready to go. Another reason is when you have a lot of tabs up, it keeps your computer, it really slows down your computer. So if you have just one tab open, it keeps it going very fast, okay? And then you can link, YouTube, any Google Docs, any of these websites that I talked about right there, okay? So, like I said, how to use it, you need to know how to copy and paste the link at the top of the page we want on our Symbaloo page, and you just keep your Symbaloo page pinned on your Chromebook. Right? So that means you just keep that one tab open, and then you just have to go to Symbaloo, and then you just link anything that you use on a regular basis. So if there's like Brain Pop that you do for science, things like that. Okay. So creating your account, let's have everyone at this point open a new tab and Google Symbaloo. So it's right on the board too. It's Symbaloo. Okay. You're going to click on the first link that comes up when you type in Symbaloo. Good. Good. Looks good. Okay, then you are going to click in the upper right-hand corner. It looks a little different for you guys. It would be the Sign Up button. You'll click that green Sign Up button, and you are going to click on the Personal. So there's to the right of the word Personal, there's a green button that says Get Started. You can click on that now. Right. So once you've clicked on the green button, so the green Sign Up button, and then Get Started. And then you're going to sign in with Google. So click the Register with Google. Yep, that button. Right. Register with Google. Right there. Good. When that little pop-up screen pops up, you can hit the upper right-hand corner, just that X. You can just X out of it. Let's see where it's at. Looks good. Okay. All right. So let's have you guys just play around with that for a little bit. Try dragging these tiles around and finding different spots for them. I'll give us 1 minute to do that. Just practice dragging them. Okay. Now, we've got just a couple steps left. Okay. What I would like us to do is, do you see how at the top of your Symbaloo page, there's home, education, ed games, and the plus sign. Nod your head if you see the plus sign, right? I want you to hit the plus sign. You're going to create your own web mix. So hit that plus sign, and it's going to pop up a new screen to add a web mix. Okay? That's good. I'd like you to title that. You can go, let's go Horizon West or just West. That way we know that these are the links we're going to use for Horizon West. Okay. Then hit Allow Access. Yep, hit Add. Good. Good. Yep, and then Allow Access. Awesome. And then let's have you see if you can follow along with these directions on the screen. So type in any website. For example, we're going to do 99 math after this. So if you want to just type in 99math.com. 99math.com. You want to just type that in the middle, in that little search bar, right? That Google search bar. And then hit search or enter. And then it's going to pull up what looks like, right, like a Google search, right? It's going to look like this. It's going to have a couple different links here for 99math. What I need you guys to do is find the one that says 99math.com. It's the second one. And click Add to Symbaloo. There's this button right there. Okay. That says Add to Symbaloo for the 99math. So it's the second link. Hit Add to Symbaloo. Yep, right there. Okay. Very good. And then click Add New Tile. Good. You just hit enter because it essentially Googles it for you, and then the second one right there, add to Symbaloo. Okay, awesome. So then let's spend the next couple minutes editing it. So what we're going to do now is raise your hand if you have that 99 math tile on your Symbaloo. Colton, you got it?
Well, if you're 99 math or 99
It's the second one. Yep, right there, add to Symbaloo. Yep, perfect. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we're going to edit it so you can sort of make it your own. So we're now going to move on to the text, color, and logo. So on your 99 math tile, if you can right click. Okay, so tap with 2 fingers right on that tile. Okay, right on the 99 math tile. Right click. And there's going to be an edit button. Hit edit. Okay. Perfect. Good. Okay. Good. Okay, so now you can change the color of the background. You can, if you want the text to say something else, like if you want to say math game, you could change the title of it. So it just said 99 math. So you have the option to show text, right? Or to not have the text there if you just want a picture. So for example, this was ratio rumble. And if you wanted a pink background like I did for Lexia, you would click on pink. If you wanted to upload an image, right, say you wanted to put some meme or a GIF in there, you could upload an image from Google there. Okay. Then as we start adding to this later in the day, you're going to have a lot of tiles all over the place. And so what you want to do is sort of think about doing this in a way that makes sense, right? So maybe your first hour slides, so for us it would be math. Maybe you want your math tiles in the upper left-hand corner. Then maybe your second hour tiles in the middle, specials on the right, and just sort of work your way around in a way that makes sense. Maybe you put your cohort calendar for the week right in the middle, so you don't have to keep going back to Spuds Landing, then my Power School page, then track B, and clicking that one. Okay? That is the end of my brief conversation or lesson, I guess. What questions do you have about this? So let's spend the next few minutes adding more tiles for math and adding the cohort calendar. Okay, so I want you to locate the cohort calendar for the week. Find the cohort calendar, click, right-click the link, at the top, and then create a new tile in Symbaloo. So, find your cohort calendar for the week, right-click that link at the top, and then create a new tile in Symbaloo. To create a new tile in Symbaloo, all you do is just click on a new tile. So you can just go like that. And then you just copy the link